I really believe in the power of great show notes. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why podcast show notes are vital to your podcast and how the Podcast Fast Track team can help you make the most out of them. So first of all, why do you need show notes for your podcast? Well, number one, it's a great way to provide your listeners the resources that you mention on your podcast episodes. And you can provide those resources both on your website and via the podcast apps that most listeners are using these days, like the iTunes Podcast app or Pocket Casts and others. So think about the last episode that you produced, where you mentioned a resource. It might have been a book, a website, anything really. If you get into a habit of referring people to the show notes or the description of the podcast episode that's included with the audio file that they're listening to at that very moment, then they're able to find and make use of those resources immediately through the podcast app that they're using to listen to your show. That makes your podcast a much more usable resource for them. It makes it more listener-friendly, and it makes you, the podcaster, a more trusted and reliable expert resource in their eyes. But there's a second reason that I believe you can use show notes to an even greater advantage. And that's if you create them with search engine optimization in mind, or SEO. SEO optimized show notes become one of the best ways to draw in potential new listeners who are looking for the exact things that you are podcasting about. The search engines, like Google, only scan text on your site, not the audio that you're producing. So you need to be sure that you're telling those search engine bots what your episode is all about. And that's where show notes come in. But more than just show notes, you need SEO optimized show notes so that the search engines are more likely to take notice of your episode and serve it up to those people who are searching for the topics that you're covering. It's toward that end that we provide our pro show notes to help you make the most of search engine traffic so that you can gain more listeners to your show. So now that we know why show notes are important, let me tell you how we go about providing the most professional, best SEO optimized show notes, I believe, in the industry. First of all, for every single episode of your podcast, we create an engaging, enticing summary. It's going to be at least 500 words, and it's written in a way to lead readers of the show notes page to become listeners. And our hope is that they like the great audio content that you're producing that's in that episode and become a subscriber to your show. As we write that content, we're going to do keyword research for every single episode, focusing the writing of the show notes around the words and phrases that your ideal listeners are really searching for, so that we can optimize our writing to appeal to those real people who are searching for the topics that you're covering on that episode. We're going to provide you with that information for each episode so that if you do make adjustments to the show notes page that we provide to you, you don't make changes that will negatively impact the SEO value of that page. In addition to all that SEO optimization that we've done through the keyword research, we're going to provide a time-stamped bullet point outline of the main topics that you cover on the episode, so your listeners can kind of scan through and see all the major topics that you're talking about in that episode. We are also going to include live links to every resource or every person you mention on your episode. And we're going to triple check to ensure that every one of those links actually work. When possible, we're also going to include what are called deep links. Those are links that go to other pages on your website that are related to the topic that you're covering. This also helps with SEO ranking. And if you provide us images to include on each episode page, we'll be sure to include those, and we'll make sure that they are named and optimized in a way that increases your search engine optimization ranking. But if you don't want to provide us the images and want our team to find images that are relevant to that episode, we're happy to do that as part of the package that we arrange with you for your particular show notes needs. And when we do so, we make sure those images are free to use so that you won't be guilty of any kind of copyright infringement. We're also going to double and triple check for spelling and grammatical errors to give your show notes pages the professional appearance and feel that you want to represent your brand. And that's all just the show notes. We also throw in some bonus things that we include in our show notes package. We're going to provide you with some powerful off-page resources that you can use to promote each episode. That's going to include 5 tweets based on that episode and 5 things we call social media blurbs. It's really just a repurposing of your show notes to put it into 5 little pieces of social media content that you can include with a short link to drive traffic to that particular show notes page for your podcast. And when we're finished with the show notes and creating the whole thing, we're going to provide it to you through a Google Doc, and we're going to post it on your website, on your media host, and schedule it out according to your desired publication schedule. The end result is that you're going to get SEO optimized show notes written by professional writers who know SEO techniques to help your podcast episode pages rank higher in the search engine rankings. If that sounds like what you need, feel free to contact us through our website contact page at podcastfasttrack.com, or you can reach out to me directly. My email is Kerry@podcastfasttrack.com.